This fine woven key ring is one of the most expensive out there. I'm a little annoyed here of paying 35 bucks for this thing because the leather one was that price as well when I first bought it, and this is not leather. So unboxing is very straightforward. I'm hoping that the anodized aluminum ring is more durable than not. They've got some plastic that's kind of placed in between the little clasps, and it seems like there's some magnetism, but it could be the rigidity here of the fine woven case.